Hi everyone, welcome back to English GlowUp. My name is Lila. Today I just want to talk to you about something very normal. Nothing perfect, nothing dramatic, just real life. Let's talk about daily routine. My days are not always productive. Sometimes they are good, sometimes they are messy, and sometimes, honestly, I feel tired before the day even starts. I usually wake up with my alarm, not always on the first ring. Sometimes I press snooze once, sometimes twice. When I wake up, the first thing I want to do is check my phone. And yes, sometimes I do. Messages, notifications, social media, it happens. But lately, I'm trying something small. I try to sit for a few seconds before touching my phone. Just a few seconds. I take a breath. I stretch my arms. Nothing special. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom, I wash my face, I look in the mirror. Some mornings I feel good, some mornings I don't. And that's okay. I make something simple for breakfast. Not the perfect healthy meal, just something quick. Sometimes coffee and toast, sometimes I skip breakfast. Real life is like that. While I eat, I usually listen to something music, a podcast, or English audio. Not because I'm motivated, but because it helps me start the day slowly. Then the day really begins. I sit down to work or study. I open my laptop. I check what I need to do. Some tasks feel easy, some feel heavy. Sometimes I focus well. Sometimes my mind goes everywhere. When that happens, I don't force myself too much. I stand up, I drink water, I look out the window just for a minute. My routine is not strict, it's flexible, and that helps me continue. Around the middle of the day, my energy drops. I feel tired, I feel less patient, I feel slower. Instead of fighting it, I accept it. I tell myself, okay, this is part of the day. I eat lunch. Sometimes alone, sometimes with other people, sometimes quickly, sometimes slowly. In the afternoon, I try to finish what I started. Not everything, just enough. I remind myself that I don't need to do everything in one day. When the evening comes, I feel relieved. Work is done, or at least paused. I change clothes. I eat dinner. I talk with someone. Or I stay quiet. Some evenings, I feel calm. Some evenings, I feel restless. Again, that's normal. Before sleeping, I try to slow down. I don't always succeed, but I try. I put my phone away, or at least a little farther from my bed. I think about my day, not in a deep way, just simple thoughts. What was okay today? What was difficult? Then I sleep. This is my routine. Not perfect, not inspiring, but real. And maybe your routine looks similar. Maybe you wake up tired, maybe you feel unmotivated, maybe some days feel repetitive. That doesn't mean you're doing something wrong. Improving your life doesn't mean changing everything. Sometimes it's just understanding your routine instead of fighting it. Maybe tomorrow you drink more water. Maybe you listen to English for 5 minutes. Maybe you are a little kinder to yourself. That is already progress. Thank you for listening to English Glow Up. Thank you for spending these minutes with me. If you are learning English, keep listening. If you're working on your routine, take it step by step. I'm Layla. This was just a real day, told simply. See you next time.